Good day to the listening and viewing audience. On Saturday, December 9th, the Integrity Commission and the global community will join with the United Nations in commemorating International Anti-Corruption Day 2023 under the theme Uniting the World Against Corruption for Development, Peace, and Security. The Integrity Commission has adopted that theme. Like the United Nations, we recognize that corruption is an obstacle and a threat to national security, peace, and development, and we too envisage a world united against corruption. The UN's theme for this year aligns with that of last year, when the United Nations began efforts to mark its 20th anniversary of the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, culminating with International Anti-Corruption Day 2023. It was in the year 2003 when the first International Anti-Corruption Day was observed, the year when the United Nations General Assembly approved the convention and designated a special day against corruption. Over the past 3 years, our Integrity Commission has been playing its part in our little corner of the world. Our efforts have included presentations to various primary schools. We have held an essay competition where Kianje Paul and Tahiyat Shai of the Clarence Fitzroy Bryant College placed first and second, respectively, and Denise Rollins of the Washington Archibald High School placed third. Notably, each student received a monetary award at a ceremony held at ZIZ Studios in the presence of parents and teachers. Additionally, we have distributed leaflets, brochures, etc., held a panel discussion on the topic, Corruption Begets More Corruption and Fosters a Corrosive Culture of Impunity. We have delivered the International Anti-Corruption Day messages, all part of our public awareness campaign against corruption. Significantly, we successfully hosted the 8th Annual Regional Conference of the Commonwealth Caribbean Association of Integrity Commissioners and Anti-Corruption Bodies at the St. Kitts Marriott Hotel. And from all reports, we raised the bar in this regard. Notably, a major step forward has been the government's strengthening of the anti-corruption legal framework, which, among other things, enables the Commission to carry out core functions, including receiving from public officials declarations of assets, income and liabilities, and investigating allegations of bribery and acts of corruption. This year, we continue to play our part by, among other things, making a presentation to gazetted officers of the Royal St. Christopher and Nevis Police Force. This we did on Tuesday, 5th December. We were well received, and the officers were quite participative and interactive, especially in relation to the case studies discussed. We recognized that the police have a role to play in preventing, curbing, and eradicating corruption. Additionally, they fall under the Ministry of National Security. As such, they are called upon to protect citizens and residents and to maintain peace, law, and order, all of which tie in nicely with the theme for this year. As we, the Integrity Commission, recommit ourselves to this very important issue of raising awareness about corruption and its negative effects on societies around the world, we ask you, the citizens of St. Kitts and Nevis, to lend your voice to the cause. It is your right, it is your role, it is your duty to do the right thing and say no to corruption. Guard your integrity valiantly to secure the future of our country for the benefit of our children, even those yet to be born, and our fellow citizens of St. Kitts and Nevis. Happy International Anti-Corruption Day 2023. Thank you for your kind attention.